Okay, here's my simulation. So I have a road and I have a car and my computational domain. So if I go into general settings, we can see I'm doing external. I'm adding gravity. In my wall conditions, I have nothing. Fluids, I've set up air. And ambient conditions, as you can see, we've set up the velocity of the air in the x direction to 150 miles per hour. So I come out of that. Set up a rear wall. And the rear wall definition is on face 1, so the road. And I've set this to run at minus 150 miles an hour. So it's on the face coordinate system on Y, and Y is facing longitudinal here. So minus Y means the road is going from left to right. The other boundary condition I've put on is for the wheels. So the 4 wheels on the Aston Martin, they're all spinning at a rate of minus 183 rads per second. That's on the global coordinate system. So X we can see is here. So minus means that the wheels are turning going forwards. I've then set up some global goals for X and Y direction, and I'm also looking at some surface goals. The drag coefficient, we'll edit the definition here. We have the formula for drag coefficient. Which I believe to be correct. And then I've meshed it quite fine, so the results are the same with a fine mesh or with a more basic mesh. The results are pretty similar. So if we go and look at our goal plot results, insert, let's tick all of those, show. So the goal plot results that I'm getting, so X force, so the down force is 316 newtons. I would expect that to be getting on towards double for 150 miles per hour, and our coefficient of drag is 0.667, and I would expect that to be at least half of that, so 0.3 would be about the expected result. So the surface goals that I've put on are looking at the surface of the car only, because I thought that the values were going to change. Oh, let me just delete that, or not. I thought the values may be averaged across the whole computational domain, so I've made, I checked the forces on the surface only, and those are also not giving me the correct values. They're actually less than the whole computational domain, which I find again strange. So I think something's wrong with my X force, but I can't see anything correlating to why that is wrong.